We'll guide you through how to download and install Nightfall in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and quit Minecraft. And to go and do this, we're going to be using a tool called CurseForge. Now, CurseForge is essentially an add-on manager for Minecraft. So go and open up your web browser. But just before we go any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then definitely come and check them out. They've got so many awesome features. You can see some of them up here and more down here. For example, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support so you can get help anytime you need it, and so much more. And at the moment, you can get 30% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the description and in the comments. You can click there and go and get started. So to go and continue, we need to go and search for CurseForge. It's essentially an app. So go and click on it like so. And then all you need to do is go to the top right and click on Get CurseForge App. And on here, you need to click on Download Standalone. It will then go and download. Now what you need to do is open up your file explorer and find the installer. Then all you need to do is go and run it just like so. It will go and take a moment to launch and we can now go and install it. Click on Next, you can see the installation folder. Make sure you accept and have read the terms of use and privacy policy. I already have, and confirm you're at least 18 years old. You need to accept this and then we can go and click on Accept and Install. It's now going to start downloading and it will then go and automatically start installing. So all you need to do is go and wait. For this to go and work, you do need to have Minecraft installed and owned. Then you see on the left here, you've got the option for Minecraft. Make sure you go and click on it. You may have some other games here as well. Now, if you aren't seeing Minecraft, click on Add a Game and you can scan your computer for games, or you can manually go and add a game. Then all you need to do is go to the top in the Minecraft section and you want to go and search for Fear Nightfall, like so. Press enter and it'll go and search, and this is the pack here. Then what you can do is go and click on it like so. Now what you can do is scroll down and go and read through the overview, but to go and get it, you just need to go over to the right and go and click on install like so. It's then going to go and start the process. Now this may take a bit of time. It will depend upon your internet speed. As you can see, it's got 221 mods to go and download, so just go and wait. After it's gone and finished, you'll notice there's now a play button there, and if you go and click on My Mod Packs, you can also then go and find the Fear Nightfall mod pack here, or whatever pack you downloaded. You can hover over it and click on play, or click on it and go over to the right and click on play. And now the game is going to go and launch. Go to the left of the play button and you'll notice that it says Fear Nightfall, and you can then go and click on play. You need to understand the risks as you're playing with a modded version of Minecraft. It should be fine in my experience. Go and click on play and it's now starting. And just like that, it's now gone and started and you can go and get playing. And I'll go and create a new world. And so here we are, the world has just gone and loaded. And as you can see, it looks pretty unique. I haven't really seen anything like this before. And what we can do is we can go and open up this book here by right clicking on it. We can go and click on it. And this is a tutorial. And this will teach us the basics of the mod pack. So we can go to the top right and go and click on the arrows and start going through here and going and learning about it. So it's super useful. But yeah, it's super unique and it definitely adds a whole nother experience to Minecraft, which you probably haven't had before. Now what I'll do is go and start exploring just to go and give you an idea of how it all sort of looks. Of course, you'll get a much better idea when you're doing it yourself. But I was just thinking how sort of gothic this feels. It's all quite dark and dingy, and it definitely feels very different to normal Minecraft, which is why I like mod packs so much as they go and switch up the game. I hope you guys did find this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got a load more Minecraft content already on the channel and a load more to come. So definitely go and check it out. It's all from solving problems, installing mods, installing mod packs, and just a general wide range of content. Thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to catch you in the next one when we can go and resolve your problem again. I look forward to seeing you then.